Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you when to buy and when not to buy your portfolio. So this is my opinion. This is just me talking to y'all techies. And when I do my research and I look at my portfolio and I'm thinking, you know, how should I buy and sell, right? Like I'm looking at my JEPQ, right? And I realize, I want to put more money in here. But man, our average price is at $54. And our latest price right now is at 59 balls right now. So why would I want to buy some more stock right now to bring that average up? But then I'm like, I can really capitalize. And if I have the bread, just buy more because more dividends, it's whatever. It's not like I can't get back to that type of bread, right? But then you look at reality income and you're at negative 12 and your average price was at 57, but now it's at 56, about to hit 55 by tomorrow. Well, I'm gonna tell you this, player. You need to buy that reality income. You need to get that reality income right now. You need to get that wallet out. Put that cash money right now. If your lowest stock right now is negative 12, okay? If it's at negative 2, nah, you ain't gotta worry about that. You ain't gotta worry about that. You know what I'm saying? Like you really don't. You can let that breeze. You can let that chill. Whatever. You can let that chill. You're $9 up. You're $9 up. You're $33 up. It's fine. Unless you have a large lump sum that you're about to drop 300 bonds. 300 bonds. Do not even trust me. Do not mess this up. Just let it compound, especially if you're a dividend high yield stock performer like me, investor like me, then that's what you're going to do. You're going to keep that where it is. But if you're at reality income right now, you're at a negative 12 or whatever your negative, if you're under 10, if you're negative 10, negative 18, negative 20, negative 30, oh my goodness, negative 60. I don't know, man. I don't listen. You might gotta take out a loan, brother. You might gotta take out a loan. Say no, but no. You're gonna definitely have to try to get down there at some point, though, for real, because this is great. When you see negative 12, when you see a high negative, that means this is your opportunity to capitalize on the lowest, the best sale in stock history, right? That's what you're going to want to do. Now, these higher ones, like I said, if you have large money, go ahead and drop the lump sum. But if you're up, man, celebrate that win. Get a champagne bottle. Be like, "Pah." You know what I'm saying? JEPQ is up. But everything else you really don't got to. Like for me personally, that's what I would do. Like I just wouldn't. But only if I had a large sum of money and I was like everything else is doing good. But until then, if you got plus 33, forget about it. If you got plus 9, it's up to you. But if you're at negative 0, 0.2, nah, let that chill. But that negative 12, that negative 30, that negative 20, that's when to buy for your portfolio. Personally, I think that's the best time. No matter what, it could be a rainy day and every stock is doing good and one is just doing, just put some money into that one. And that's my opinion. That's when I think you should buy a stock and when not to buy stock for your portfolio. Let's get it. Let's go. I'm going to see you in the next video. Peace.